Hi everyone and everywhere, I am Khaled Ibrahim Mohamed, PhD researcher and Master of Science holder in geotechnical engineering. I am an assistant lecturer at Faculty of Engineering Fayoum University in Egypt. I am teaching underground students topics related to soil mechanics foundation and soil improvement techniques. Beside my academic job, I am a head of geotechnical engineering section at Gilfar Consultancy Services for Ras Al Khaimah municipality in United Arab Emirates. In addition, I am working as a senior geotechnical engineer at Active Brains Consultant Group in Egypt. Now I am very excited to invite you to participate in this diploma that will cover the slope stability analysis in soils and rocks, and I will do my best to share with you all of my experience in this field. This diploma is designed for you to improve your theoretical and practical knowledge of slope stability in soils and rocks. The contents of this diploma are structured in 8 modules to take you from the introduction and background of slope stability to make a full project thesis using all the learning topics in this diploma. We will start with introduction and background of slope stability in soils and rocks that will discuss the consequences of soil failures and causes of these failures. Also, principle of rock slope deformation and design method will be involved. Then the site investigation and geological data collection in soils and rock will be presented in module number 2. To understand the slope stability of rocks, the shear strengths, probabilities, groundwater and their measurements will be illustrated in brief to enable you to understand the behavior of rock slope stability analysis. This topic will be shown in module number 3. After that, we will move to the rock slopes failure types in module number 4 that contains different rock slopes failures like plane, wedge, circular and toppling failure. In the second half of our diploma, we will study the numerical analysis and software applications in rock slopes. Then in module number 6, we will start to study the slope stability analysis in soil, and we will discuss total and effective stresses and drain and drain shear stresses. Finally, we will study using limit equilibrium and finite element method. Before finalizing the diploma, we will learn how to mitigate the slope failures in weak soils and rocks using different methods of stabilizations and reinforcement that will be included in module number 7. Finally, the project thesis will be announced and all applicants will work on it with our revision and evaluation. Thanks for International Geotechnical Center to give me this opportunity to present this diploma. So don't miss this chance to enroll in this diploma to enhance your knowledge in slope stability in soils and rock. I hope to see you soon in this diploma and wishing all the best for all of you. Thank you.